Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at crowd estimations. Basically, we're going to look at the rule of thumb and how to apply it, and also what we're going to do with the crowd estimation, why we would actually want to find a crowd estimation. So let's take a look at what we have here. We have a crowd of people on both sides of the street. Let's underline that. And that means that whatever we come up with, we're going to have to multiply by 2 because there's going to be two sides of the street. We also have 2 miles long. Let's keep in mind that 2 miles is 5,280. Okay, and we have 2 of those. And it's 20 feet deep. Now, when they say deep, it's not deep in the ground. It's deep as in back. As people stack up along the side of the road, they go back and they refer to that as deep. So that's basically your width. This is going to be your length. Your 2 times 5,280. That's the length of the parade because it's 2 miles long, and the width is 20 feet. And it's times 2. So, and that's basically going to be the area of the parade. So basically what you want to do is find the area of the parade by taking the dimensions in the problem. And when you multiply that all out, it comes up to be 422,960. And that's square feet. Let's see if we can put that in there. Feet squared. There you go. So that's the area of the parade. And remember, our rule of thumb was we took the area and we divided it by 2.5. So we want to divide this by 2.5. And we get 168,000. Okay, and that's just a rough estimate. This is all a rough estimate. So you could just say approximately maybe 170,000, 169,000. You could round it off any way you want. So maybe it's approximate. So instead of saying an exact number, 960, you really don't know it's going to be like that. You can either round down or round up, but maybe approximately 170,000 would be a good rough estimate. And it's a little bit of an overestimate. So, and you could just say overestimate. Because you round it up. All right, now why do we need to know the size of the crowd? Well, if the studies showed that 25% of the people who went to parades bought flags, and you were selling flags, you wouldn't like to know exactly how many to bring, so you don't want to bring too many, and you certainly don't want to sell out and not bring enough. So let's just take our original number, 168,960, and multiply that by 0.25 for the 25%. So how many is 25%? That works out to 42,240. Again, this is just an estimate. You could round that down to about 42,000. And that would be a good estimate for the amount of flags you'd want to bring to sell. That way you wouldn't run out too bad. You're not going to sell exactly 42,240, but around there. So there you go. There's the bell, and that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for watching.